get started on invoicing in Xero, the first thing we need to do is make sure the invoice is customized to your business. So you click on the company name and click on settings and invoice settings. The first thing I'd recommend is to upload a logo. So you browse and find your logo. Open, then upload. And then you can options, edit in the invoice. I make sure the payment advice cutaways away, and you can then change any of these invoice. It comes up as tax invoice to invoice if you like. The other thing to make sure that you've done here is put your terms and payment advice. Your bank details are in, and if you click save, you can also then preview what the invoice looks like. I'll close that. If you wanted to add a payment service like PayPal, GoCardless or Stripe, it's the Payment Services button. And you can add your PayPal details, your Stripe login or your GoCardless. Then to raise an invoice, there's two ways of doing it. The easiest way is just to click on the plus button in the top right hand side and invoice. Now personally I prefer the old style of invoicing for Xero, but you can switch to the new. So for example, if you were raising an invoice to me for consultancy and you wanted it due 7 days after the invoice, you just click +7. The invoice number is automatically calculated, and the reference could be a purchase order number that the customer's given you, or could just be social media, whatever you like. Branding is what type of invoice you use. So if you've got clients that are just paying you on direct debit, you could have that as a branding type. Most of mine are all on standard. And then what you can add is a description, unit amount, unit price, the account code it goes to, VAT rate. If you're not registered, it'll be no VAT. And then you click to approve the invoice. What you can do here then is add an address to the contact. So you can add the email. And you can find the address, put in your postcode. And the attention where you are. And then you can preview the invoice again here, showing that the right address is on it. Then all you do is click email to send the invoice. You can click to include a PDF attachment, and you can click for you to have a copy, and then just click send, and that will email through to the customer. I hope that helps. Thanks. Any more questions, give us a shout.